Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Twitter setting to see sensitive content. So it's pretty simple. You want to go to twitter.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, you need to click on more over here at the bottom left. From over here, you want to choose settings and support. From over here, you want to choose settings and privacy. And from inside over here, you can see this option called privacy and safety. Click on privacy and safety. From privacy and safety, you can clearly see content, you can see option, click on it. Over here, you want to choose search setting. And from search setting over here where it says hide sensitive content, just uncheck this. Once you uncheck this, basically you have done it. Now, whenever you search for something, you're going to be able to see sensitive content. So be aware, it might show you really bad content as well. So keep that in mind. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.